The Daily Code Snippet. The text transform property is used to transform the case of your font. The values for text transform are none, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, and full width. None is the default and prevents any transformations. Uppercase will transform all text to capitals. Lowercase will transform all text to lowercase. Capitalize will transform all words to have the first letter capitalized. Full width will transform all glyphs to be written inside a fixed width square. The effect would be similar to using a monospace font. This would allow the aligning of glyphs in Latin characters along with glyphs from other languages, like Chinese. Let's look at some examples of text transform in use. Here is the HTML. We are setting up examples to represent each value: none, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, and full width. To demonstrate full width, we have obtained a translation. Here we are trying to align Latin characters with Chinese glyphs in Chinese. And here is the CSS. .none, text transform none. .uppercase, text transform uppercase. .lowercase, text transform lowercase. .capitalize, text transform capitalize. .full width, text transform full width. Here we are showing examples of each of the 5 values as indicated. The full width value has inconsistent browser support, so this example of how it will display is shown using Mozilla Firefox. The Chinese translation was obtained from Google Translate, and so it is possible there are errors. It is for illustration purposes only. Presented by Designers Learn Code.